Good morning, guys. It's not really even morning anymore. It's 11:30 because I slept in again, but I just wanted to do a vlog today. I haven't done a vlog in a long time, and I feel like I haven't caught up with you guys in ages. I have some stuff to do, and I wanted to show you some things, and yeah. So the first thing I want to show you is my photo wall. You would have seen this. I don't know when this vlog is going up, but you probably would see this on my Instagram or something. And I made a photo wall because my room is so gray and kind of dull, and I'm always trying to add more color and life to it. I did this last night. I still have a few more things I want to add to it, so I just wanted to show you guys. I was going to do a whole vlog of like me doing it, but then I decided not to. Okay, so I started out by planning it. So like I drew the area. I know I'm such a good drawer, right? I drew the area and then kind of like knew all the shapes of everything and put everything in the frames I wanted them, and there's still some things I need, so let's show you. Here it is. So it started out with this I got for Christmas, and then I feel like I was gonna get these off a printing website, but then it was really expensive. So what I did was found like this picture, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one all online, and then I just like had them printed through Walmart. I would have printed them myself, but our printer's not really working. So I ordered them to be printed from Walmart. I think I got all of them plus more actually for like $9. So it was a great deal, and they came in really good quality. So I got these frames, these white ones from Hobby Lobby. They're just like paper frames. I got that gold frame from Hobby Lobby. I wouldn't recommend hanging that. I feel like it's gonna fall any second, but I love it. I guess I'll go through some stuff. So this is from Breakfast at Tiffany's. A lot of people think that's me. Not me. It's from Breakfast at Tiffany's. Watch it. Obviously Spice Girls. I needed to throw it back there. And then I love this one. It's like Jaws but paws because it's a cat. I just think it's really funny. I just wanted some greenery, so I might change that one. This one I put on Instagram. I got it from Cosmo, I think. Obviously Julia Roberts. Love her. Love Pretty Woman. That is my phone background. And I really love this one. It's like the original poster for Cinderella, so I thought that was cute. I love the colors of it. So the things I want to add to it are a frame, either a white one or a black one for this, a black one for that, a gold one for that, which I think I have, so I just have to see if it's gonna work. And then I want to put two little 4x4 pictures under here. I'm not sure what I want those to be. And then over here, like where you can see that dirty spot on the wall, I want to hang like a little shelf with like a plant that kind of droops down. I just think that would look really cute. And I just think it adds some color in here. I feel like it could be better. It's not obviously perfect, but once I fill these two spots and put like something here, I think it'll look really good. Let me know what you think. How exciting. I'm just gonna have my waffles and my coffee, and I'll be back.
The very thought of you, and I forget to do those little ordinary things that everyone ought to do.
All good with the skincare. That was so bad. So I might as well chat to you while I'm getting ready because I'm not sure when else I'm gonna do it. One thing, I'm going to be posting a blog post and a video soon on this new product from Glossier, the solution. I'm sure you guys have heard about this. I'm so excited. I only used it for the first time last night. I'm only using it at night because I've used similar products like Pixi Glow Tonic, and it drew me out. It dried me out a lot. So I'm only using it at night, but literally from yesterday to this morning my skin looks better already, so hoping it has something to do with this and it's not just like period things or something. But I'm gonna do a whole blog post with before and after pictures and everything, so I'm really excited about that. Just wanted to throw that out there, prep you guys. Also, I cut my hair. I'm sure you guys saw this on Instagram too, but I first cut about 2 inches off, then I cut another like 2 or 3 inches off, so my hair was pretty freaking long before, and it's this length now, and this is all my natural color. Like, if you guys wanted to ever know what my natural color hair was, I didn't even know what it was anymore. This is it. I haven't dyed my hair since 2016 October time. So yeah, I'm just so pumped about this. I had no idea this was my natural color. I thought it was much more gray, like dull blonde, but it's actually brown. So who knew? I might throw in some highlights a little bit closer to spring, but for now, I'm pretty happy. I mean, I think it came out really good. I've never cut this much hair of my own off. Like, I literally normally showed you guys in my hair cutting video that I'll like take a piece and go up into it. I literally took like the entire bottom and like sliced it across before I went in. yeah, it was scary, but I'm very happy about it. My goal hair, I'm like wondering if I can really do it myself, is this picture I'm gonna put in of Tess Christine. She recently cut her hair, and everything she does I want to do, so I think it looks really good on her. And because my hair is so thin, I think when it's shorter, like even now, like last week when I woke up, my hair was so flat and like dull and like heavy. Yes, last time I did makeup on screen on camera, I forgot to use my Glossier priming moisturizer. Oh no, I think that's gonna have to work. The videos I'm filming today, ooh, that's liquidy. One is a makeup clean out, because I have a lot of stuff I haven't been using and I want to clean it out and like donate it or recycle it or do whatever I can do. And there was another video I wanted to film, but at this moment I'm completely 100% blanking on it. You know, I don't think I'm gonna film on camera. I film on camera, do my makeup on camera, because I don't even know I'm doing it, so I'll talk to you at some point. Okay, so I'm still in my robe, haven't even gotten dressed, but I'm about to film I think my makeup clean out. I was just working on some stuff for Glossier, so that was really exciting, and it kind of took longer than I was expecting, but I kind of got distracted, so I think I'm gonna get to filming a video before, well, it's not even really sunny out, so I don't know, but I'm gonna get to filming my video, and then I wanted to talk to you guys about something I literally cannot remember. I was like, oh, I'm so excited to vlog, I can finally chat with you guys. And now I don't even know what I want to, did want to ask you guys if you've been reading my articles on Open Letter. I did my whole video update about my job and writing for them, and I love writing for them. It's so much fun, and it's like the kind of stuff I'm interested in. Like, it's a lot of work and research and stuff, but I'm really enjoying it, and it's kind of stuff I want to be writing. So just want to know if you guys are reading. I know some of you said on that video you have been, and you've been loving my articles, and I really, really, truly appreciate that, because that's like what I've been working for years, and yeah, I really appreciate it. So if you haven't checked them out, I'll leave a link below if you want to go and read some of my beauty articles, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Sorry, going. I just accidentally took a picture of myself before, instead of filming, and you're gonna see what that looks like in a second. I'll put it in. That was funny. Okay, so I just filmed a video. I realized that the two videos I wanted to film were the makeup clean out and this vlog, so yeah. I don't know what else to say. I never made my bed today because my cat has been sleeping in it like this. Like, normally I'd make it, but she's just being too cute and I can't seem to move her. So I think I'm gonna eat something. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. And that's all I really have to share. So I'm sorry that I'm so boring, but what are you gonna do?
Back when we were kids, stars in our eyes so big, running around chasing down every dream. Nothing in our way, stealing all the light from the day. I haven't felt that feeling in so long.
Okay, so you may have just seen, I don't know why I filmed it, but I cleaned the cat litter. Much fun. And then I cleaned up a lot of puke, which was even funner. Yeah, one of my cats pukes a lot, the other one has hairballs, and there's like stains all over my floor, which is really gross. The basement is like not our living area, so we don't always notice when there's puke, so I just like went around and cleaned up all the puke, which makes me feel really not gross at all. And then I fed the cats. Also had lunch, which I totally forgot to vlog because I forgot that I was vlogging, so honesty there. But I made a stir fry, which is really good. I've been making it a lot. It's so easy. I posted a picture of it on Instagram, so I'll put in the picture here. I actually got 2 messages on Instagram asking me what it was because it looks so good, and it's pretty much whatever vegetables you have in the house, toss them in a frying pan. I like to use broccoli, carrots, a little bit of onion for flavor, I don't dice it, I like cube it, kind of like how you would get stir fry at like a Chinese restaurant. I throw in water chestnuts, which are my favorite. I love water chestnuts. But yeah, so I put in water chestnuts, baby corns. This time I threw in some bean sprouts, put zucchini, pretty much anything that you like. And yeah, it's really, really good. I just toss it in a frying pan with some olive oil and some minced garlic, a little bit of black pepper, maybe red pepper if you like a spice. When it's done, I just toss it with soy sauce. I usually don't put it in a pan because everyone in my house who eats this like likes a different amount of soy sauce. But yeah, so I ate that, and I also had Dunkaccino, so I made like half coffee, half hot chocolate because I was so busy filming this morning. I never actually finished my coffee actually, so I wanted a little bit more. My cat is still in the same spot. You see her? Like what? Like, oh my god, baby. She's so sleepy. She doesn't even get up to eat. It's so sad. Like, she's not sick. She's just tired. She'll eat later. She's totally within a normal weight range. I think I'm gonna get to editing this video. I've never made my bed, which makes me feel kind of weird, but because I put makeup on today, like this is the first time I've worn a full face of makeup for a whole day in like a month. I'm having a, I don't know what I'm having, but I'm having a moment where I'm not really into makeup. Like I'm into it, I'm just like too lazy and don't like the feeling on my skin, and like today I'm not feeling it too much. Like I feel like I look shiny. It's just the lighting in this room is terrible, especially when there's no sunlight out, so it looks not great, but like in the mirror I think it looks really good. And I'm actually really liking wearing makeup today, and I have to wear it tomorrow because I have a doctor's appointment. I don't have to think I'm like sick when I'm not sick. It's Wednesday, so that means Riverdale comes out and a few other shows that I watch. So what am I gonna put first, work or TV? We all know the answer to that. But while I'm here, before I go real quick, I wanted to ask you guys if you have any video recommendations, if you want more Q&As, if you want personal videos, let me know in a comment below what kind of videos you want to see me do. I know a lot of you guys request more fashion videos and stuff, but I don't have a lot of money, so I don't buy new clothes all the time, and it would just be like repeat outfits. I might be doing a fashion haul soon. Morning routines, I just feel like I've done every morning routine and night routine I've wanted to do, and like nothing's really changed, and I just feel like it would be repetitive. So if you can think of any other kind of videos you want me to do, please let me know, and then I'll see you later, I guess. Okay. Hi, I thought oh my god, I look shiny in this light. I bought something recently, and I haven't showed you guys yet because I don't know why. I got these glasses from Amazon for $8. They look like this. I thought they looked a lot more like the round ones that are like really in now, and I got those ones from Firmoo a while ago. I wore them in this picture. I'll put in a picture, and I really like those actually. I really like how those look, but I feel like the frames are a bit too thin. These I got like a month ago, but like I said earlier in the vlog, I haven't really worn makeup this month. When I wear glasses, I feel like it looks better when I have full face of makeup on, and this is the first time wearing a full face of makeup, so I thought I would try these on. So far, when I've tried them on, I feel like I look like Harry Potter. Just my opinion. They're just a bit maybe too round and too small, but I love the tortoise shell, and they're $8. I just want to see if the shape would suit me before like investing. Let's see. I'm trying to not have a glare. Is there a way I can like not get a glare? What do you guys think? I just think they're too small, or they're too big, or they don't suit me. Do they? Do you guys think they suit me? I think they're too round, maybe? Or they're too high up. Like I feel like my brows are looking really weird at them. Like there, that angle, I can deal with. I just don't really know. I wonder if maybe I put my hair up, like if I took this part of my hair and popped it up in like a bun, like a top knot bun, and like left some down in the front or something. Do I look like a librarian yet? I don't know, I'll have to fuss around with them, but I just thought they would be fun. I don't really know what else I'm doing tonight. I'm probably just gonna eat snacks, watch TV, and edit. I didn't actually go out today. I don't know if you can hear the rain. It was snowing this morning, and then it turned into rain, and now it's sleet and slush and grossness, so I was gonna go and run some errands, but I'm too lazy to be going out in this weather. So if you'd like the vlogs, let me know, and I'll like try to do them more often, try to do more exciting things like leave the house, and yeah. That might be the last clip. It might not be, so goodbye if it is, and see you later if it isn't.